Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick review on this CleanView Swivel Pet BISSELL vacuum and show you everything that you need to know before you buy it. Right off the bat, I will say that it is best if you own this vacuum if you have a pet, ergo the name Swivel Pet, because it's designed to pick up a lot of pet dander and a lot of pet hair. So I'll just start with some of the highlights, and it already advertises it here, but this triple brush action as you're vacuuming, and this is swiveling, it really picks up a lot of hair, which I just vacuumed and I kept to show how much hair it picks up, both human hair and pet hair. Really strong brushes at the base here. Here you have an option to select what kind of ground you are vacuuming on. So if you're doing bare floor, you would start here. And then if you're doing a lighter carpet here, and then you would increase as the thickness of your carpet increases. So really nice option because it can clean pretty deep. And if you have thicker carpets, it can pick up any of that pet hair pretty strongly. The other nice thing is this swivel, as you can see advertised here. So as you're vacuuming, just show you a quick demo. The whole vacuum swivels, so it's really nice when you're like getting harder angles, and just, I mean, it's a really fun and cool pro about the design of the vacuum. The other thing is the ease of emptying the base here. I don't know what these things are called, but anyways, it's super easy to just release it. You hit this button and then you hit this button and all this junk falls out. You can also release it at the top here. There's a button right here to really clean out the filter. And the nice thing about it is you don't have to keep buying a filter. It's washable, as you can see right here. So really nice option. So you don't have to keep buying filters. You can just release this, take this out, clean it, let it dry, put it back in, and then it doesn't have that scent that you usually get when you're using a vacuum that gets clogged up in the filter. And then this as well, if you want to do harder to reach places, this releases, and then you attach this TurboEraser Pet little connector, and you can get hard to reach corners underneath the cabinets and whatnot. And then I'm just going to turn it on and I'll end this video so you can hear the sound of it. It's not extremely loud, but it's also not extremely silent either. And then also I'll just say that the price is amazing because I've owned a lot of vacuums and this one is one of my favorites. It's super powerful, it's super effective. I absolutely love it. It's user friendly. And with that, I hope this review helps you.